Hi, do I know you? Oh, baby, I think you're my color. You're my color. Look at him.
Yeah. They're not ever gonna meet unless he gets
Honey, you gotta be
snipped.
snipped. Your manhood has to be taken. Now what?
I'm just videoing.
Silly Willies.
Okay, someone pooped. Someone marked their territory.
It wasn't me, I didn't do it. You're right, it is cold. I'm just...
Huh? I'm right?
Yeah, it's cold.
Yeah.
They're cute, they look like they're happy out here.
Yeah, they need the exercise.
Keep flopping around.
Spencer, please stand by. Really? Tiddly? Really? Hi, Lilac. Hey, babe.